Hi everyone! Today I'm tackling a common problem with this simple household item, toothpaste. My Vitamix blender container has become quite foggy over the past 10 years, from grinding hot seeds like wheat or buckwheat for my sourdough bread. It's scratched up, but it doesn't bother me. What does bother me though, it's the foggy appearance. So I decided to test out the Toothpaste Hack to see if it could clear up the fog. I applied a bit of toothpaste to the container and scrubbed. You'll see the results in just a moment. Let me know if you think it made any difference. I also tried this hack on my car headlights, and they look much better now. If you have any other tips for cleaning foggy containers or surfaces, please share them in the comments. I recommend giving this toothpaste trick a try, since you likely have some toothpaste and brush at home. Don't forget to leave a comment letting me know if this trick worked for you, or if you have any other methods to suggest. Let's see how it turned out.